Good morning, everyone. Let's do calendar. Let's do our rule song. Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice work. Let's do a letter today. Let's see, I'm going to make a letter, and then we'll decide from there where it is on your screen. Let's see, let's do the letter. What letter did I choose? Letter T, right? Where's the big T? Uppercase, right? Where's the little t? Good. T makes the t sound, t. Let's find it on the board. T is right here. Let's see. Okay, T is for train. Can you say that? T is for train. Let's see. What animal is this? Starts with the T. Tiger, right? Good job. The tiger has stripes. Ooh, makes a big growling sound, right? Tiger. 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 10 fingers. And that's a number. That's the word 10. And the number 10 looks like this, right? 1 and a 0. That's a 10. Great. Sometimes in a big city, you might see something called a taxi. It takes people where they want to go. There's a taxi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 taxis. That's a lot of taxis. There's a turkey on top of that taxi. That's silly. All right, so here comes the train, right? And I see the letter T here, and here's a letter T. But this letter is a J. J is not a T. We have to find the matches. So let's find the matches. T and T. That's a match. Let's get rid of the Y. Let's do one more. T and T. That's a match. X does not belong. No match. And here's that turtle band. I think we've done letter T before, but it's okay to practice. The turtles are playing their instruments. That's fun. Nice job, friends. Okay, let's go back. And we're going to get ready for calendar, right? So we always do the days of the week first, so we know what day of the week it is. So let's get started. Here we go. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is what? Say it in your head. Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Tuesday, Wednesday. Great job. And tomorrow, when we meet for calendar, I'm going to say tomorrow is Thursday. Great work. Wednesday. All right. let's do the months of the year. Let's see. We always start with January when we talk about the months. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. You guys know what month it is. What's the month? It's May, right? The month is May. Great job. Wednesday, May. And now we're going to do some counting together. We start with number 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. If you said 20, you are right. What number? 20. Very good. If we counted by 5s to 20, what would that look like? How can we do that? Let's count by 5s. Excuse me. 5. What's my next number? 10. What's my next number? 15. What's next? 20. That's not a great 2, but that's all right. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's counting by 5s. Great work. Should we count by 2s just for fun? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good. That's counting by 2s. You skipped 2 each time. Great job. All right, great. So now we did the days of the week. It's Wednesday. The month is May. The number is 20. Let's do the weather. Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? I'm looking outside my window. I see something in the sky. It looks like it's going to be a nice day. It looks sunny outside. I'm going to find my sunny picture and match it. Sunny. Awesome. The weather today is sunny. I have to add another sunny day. Where's sunny? There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more means 9 days. Ooh, this yellow is kind of fading. That's okay. Sunny day, color in a sunny day. I'm trying to make a little song for the graph, and I can't think about a good song. I'll think about it, though. All right, so that is 9 sunny days. Great job. All right. We did the letter, so we're not going to do the temperature today, but we will do the seasons. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you want to hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter. Did you say them? Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Great. The season is still spring. Oh, so great. Good job, you guys. let's do the whole date. So we know what day today is. Today is Wednesday. Good. What's the month? May. What's the number? 20th. Good. 2020. The weather today is sunny. The season is spring. Great job, friends. Nice job doing calendar today. And I will see you later. Enjoy the sunshine if you can. Bye.